How to see T-Mobile call log. Hello, in this short guide, I'll show you the ways to view your T-Mobile call history on phone or web. If you need to check recent calls for billing, tracking missed calls, or validating charges, T-Mobile provides several ways to view call logs. I'll show the reliable methods so you can pick the one that fits your situation. Here's what you can do. Method 1. Use the T-Mobile app, My T-Mobile. Open the My T-Mobile app and sign in. Look for usage, bill, or account sections and choose View Usage or Call History. This shows recent calls and summary details right on your phone. If you use the app regularly, this is the quickest way to check today's or recent calls. Method 2. Log into your T-Mobile online account, desktop. Go to T-Mobile's website and sign into your account. Navigate to Billing and Payments or Usage and select the relevant billing period. You can view call records and download statements or usage reports if needed. Method 3. Check your phone's native call log. Open the Phone or Calls app on your device, Android or iPhone. The native call log shows incoming, outgoing, and missed calls with timestamps. Note, the device history reflects what the phone recorded, not necessarily the carrier's full billing detail. Method 4. Request detailed records from T-Mobile support. If you need official, itemized records, older history, or full call detail, contact T-Mobile support via the app, web chat, or visit a store. Ask for a call detail record, CDR, or a detailed usage report for the specific billing period. Detailed records may require account verification and sometimes processing time, so request them when you need official documentation. Method 5. Use account admin tools for business or family accounts. If you manage a business or family plan, use the Account Admin dashboard to view per-line usage and call logs. Admins typically can select individual lines and pull reports for each line. And that's it. Choose the method that suits you and you'll have your T-Mobile call history. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more quick guides.